it's Brittney and welcome back to my channel. I know I said that this video would be in my permanent setup, but apparently due to weather, the desk got delayed. So this week I have a special guest with me, and as you can see, we are doing a fun craft. Please welcome my little sister, Paige.
Hello.
Paige, why don't you tell everyone what we're doing today?
Today we're making slime, and it's her first time making it.
We've never made slime before. She said the first time she made it, it was an epic fail.
And this is my example slime.
Yeah, so Paige makes slime a lot, which is why what'd you get for Christmas, Paige?
Gallon of glue.
Gallon of glue. So a whole bunch of these little clear glues. You know, everything you would need to make slime. I don't know how to make it. So what kind of slime is this?
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. All feels terrible. Hate all of it. We're gonna try. What are the ingredients that we're gonna need?
For fluffy slime, you need glue, shaving cream, and Tide.
I'm using Tide Free and Gentle. I don't know why.
My coloring's wrong.
And you forgot the paint. So we have colors. We have the little paints. The Model Magic is apparently for butter slime. Paige, I think, is gonna make crunchy slime, which sounds awful. And it's sequins that go inside of it. I'm just gonna make some normal slime.
Fluffy or regular?
Regular, because I'm not gonna go too hard on this.
So it's just glue and Tide, so you're not gonna have shaving cream.
Oh, I want the shaving cream.
So it's fluffy slime.
Okay, so fluffy slime. Okay, Paige, tell me how we're gonna do this. What do I do?
First, you add as much glue as you want.
As much as I want?
Not all of it.
Amazing. So you just need a bowl, and then you pour apparently as much glue as I want. Tell me when to stop.
Then the shaving cream makes it more fluffy.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, I have no idea.
And then you add as much shaving cream as you did glue.
So apparently fluffy slime is 1 part glue, 1 part shaving cream, and how much?
As much as that.
How much Tide?
Oh, you add a little at a time, because if you add a lot at a time, your slime becomes hard. You don't want that.
All right. Can I put shaving cream on your face?
No.
You're no fun.
Can I put shaving cream on your face?
No. You're no fun. So I've put glue and shaving cream in here. I have no idea if that's the same amount. We're gonna see. What do I do now?
Color.
Color?
Mix it first.
Oh, mix it. Spoon to mix it. What was the clear glue for?
Clear slime.
Oh. This is awful. I kind of want to eat it though.
Yeah.
It looks like
It's whipped cream.
Cool Whip. Does this look right?
Yeah.
Now what? Add color?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Okay. Which one is the light blue, did you say? This
The
one?
purple one. I think this one is the light blue.
This looks like purple.
Look at the top. That's blue. I swear it's blue.
PHTHALOCAYNINE blue. And this one is ultramarine blue. Is this the color that you used for that?
So it's basically this color. It's a light blue.
Looks nothing like this.
And then this is a clear slime, and it's the darker blue color.
Oh, clear slime. Can we play with it?
It's kind of sticky.
Stick. So why is it clear slime if it's blue?
When you stretch it out, it's still blue.
Oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, ew, I hate it. Oh my God.
I told you!
Oh my God, I hate this. Ah, get it off of me.
Get it off.
I can't.
You're gonna get out of your sweater.
My sweater.
Oh, your sleeves.
They're big sleeves. I hated that. I hated that. Oh my God. Show them how it's clear in the middle. Right here. Oh.
When you stretch it out, it's still clear.
Oh, I hated that. All of that.
That's my favorite
110%.
clear slime.
Light blue is my favorite color. We're just gonna add a little bit at a time, hoping that it's lighter.
See, it's blue.
This is purple though. Like this color right here is purple, but the color that comes out of it is blue. Are you you sure you didn't mix these up? Oh, I guess this is lighter.
Told ya.
I have a really pretty light blue color.
And I'm making a light green.
What do I do now?
You add the tide.
Little at a time?
Yes, little. Did you scrape the sides before?
No.
Exactly. Now you're gonna be making slime.
No, I'm not. I hate the feeling of it. How much is a little?
Oh my god.
Apparently that was a lot. Oh my god, it's like sinking.
Yeah, that's what happens. It always does that. I like my color.
What's your favorite color? Purple.
Black. Even though it's not really a color, but it's like a really dark blue.
She's emo.
Yeah, for my hair.
At the age of 10.
For my hair, I wanted to do blue and purple.
You're dyeing your hair blue?
Yeah.
I think red would look nice. With like your dark hair.
And
Can you tell we're related? They look nothing
I'm
alike.
adopted.
She's adopted. No, she's not adopted, but she would be. She looks it compared to all of her other siblings.
Who are people.
Who are people.
Are the whitest people ever.
My dad's Irish. It's not my fault.
Mine looks like a key lime pie filling.
You
You know Frank Gallagher used to be a doctor?
What?
You didn't know?
Frank Gallagher on the TV as a doctor?
Wait, is
I
that?
think he plays doctor.
From Shameless.
He's been on the show
Oh,
before. so
Uncle
he's-
Jesse's also on ER.
John Stamos. This looks awful. Is this going well? Because it looks awful.
Well, it's goopy.
Do I have to like add more of anything?
Tide.
You didn't tell me I had to add more. You told me what I put in the first time was too much.
No.
Oh, once again, what is not a lot?
Like,
Hey, did you know Tide Pods are edible?
What is this trend? But why is everyone eating Tide Pods?
I don't think they're actually eating the Tide Pods.
Did you see the picture of the Tide Pods on the pizza?
Probably. What the hell?
I don't get it. Is this rice?
yeah. You might want to start playing with your hands.
I don't wanna.
Or her sister's selling it at school. Basically making a profit.
Paige, why are you not selling this in school?
I don't know if she's selling it.
Maureen, I hope you know your background commentary is staying in.
Do you own? That's actually not bad.
Really?
It's just hard and it doesn't stretch.
Because the Tide is now all over the table.
You mix it in.
I haven't done that yet. I don't like it.
I need a napkin.
Watch, the camera's gonna die as I like start doing this. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I don't like it.
It's not even sticky.
Honestly, feels kind of weird. Feels like fluffy. Come on, Pete, mine's done.
No, it's not.
It's not?
You have to add the crunch to it.
No.
Are you gonna make it into butter slime?
Oh, do I just add Bottle Magic?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm making it into butter slime.
Oh, wait. Whoa! It just doesn't stretch.
Where's the butter?
But it's pretty good slime.
Don't use my butter for your slime.
Where I'm turning my fluffy slime into butter slime. I don't really get how these are gonna mix.
Neither did I.
I'm gonna do a cooking video where Morgan's just in the background making commentary of everything I'm doing wrong. Like
I'll do that video.
Can we?
Yeah.
You
we'll
have to
make
give
the
me like
dailies.
such a hard recipe.
Souffle. Chocolate souffle.
Something really hard that like I'm
Or
not
macaroons.
obviously gonna do wrong. Something
Macaroons or souffle?
maybe macaroons because I don't like chocolate souffle.
Okay, well.
She made this
it.
chocolate souffle and it was good.
It was
but it's just a
amazing.
lot of chocolate.
It was incredible.
Is this going well?
Stop it.
Ew! That's gross.
Let me feel yours.
Here you go. Tell me how it's going. Apparently I was doing it wrong.
I can fix it, but.
How would I fix it? Let me fix it.
Okay, well, to fix it, you put a bowl of water. You put water, hot water in a bowl, and you put your slime in it,
Sorry, I'm cleaning it.
and you put your slime in it, and it makes it more stretchy and less like hard.
I feel like I made model magic. I feel like I didn't even make slime. I just made model magic.
Because butter slime is supposed to spread. 7.
A 7 out of 10.
7.
For fluffy slime, I get a 7 out of 10. I think that's pretty good. For the butter slime,
It's a 4.
a 4. Well, anyways, I think we did pretty good. I think.
And now we have to trade slimes.
No, I really don't want to touch yours. Okay.
All right then.
Let me mold it. Can you feel the sequence?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate it. Oh my god, I hate it. Mine feels so nice. So anyways, that's gonna be it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. I don't know if we're gonna do any more slime videos. Maybe I'll have this one on again though. And I will see you guys hopefully in my new setup on Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye!